Do you want to know how you can create poll on Telegram? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a poll or start a poll on Telegram. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Go to any group or channel and you can click on this document button, and if you go a bit there, you can see there is poll option. If you click on poll, you can create a poll, and if you go to settings, you can see there is option of anonymous voting, multiple answers, and quiz mode. So you can enable it or disable it according to your wish. Let me show it to you once again. Open Telegram, go to any group, go ahead and click on this attached button and click on poll. Now you can write your question over here. So let's go ahead and write down a question like, how are you doing? And after that, you can write down the option over here. Let's suppose I want to give the option good, and if you want to add an option, go ahead and click add an option, and you can write something like the best, not the best, feeling better, and you can add the worst or something like this. So after you do this, you can see that there is an option of create on the top right of your screen. Go ahead and click create, and there you go. This is how you create a poll on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.